Hey guys, so it is Thursday. I just got off of work. I am really excited for this weekend. I'm sure you guys saw from the title of the vlog. I am going to Coastal Country Jam, so I'm super stoked. And I just so happened to place an order at Forever 21. And in the order, I had a pair of gingham shorts in it. And I totally had forgotten I was going to Coastal Country Jam. So when I remembered, I was like, oh my God, I have those shorts. So originally, they were not supposed to come in until like next week, but I just got an alert today that they are now in. I got them delivered to the store and I'm gonna pick them up and I'm really excited. And then after that, I'm headed off to dinner with Trevor and his family. It is his stepdad's birthday, who passed just a few months ago, so we're all having dinner at Trevor's mom and his little spot, one of their restaurants that they frequented. It's a specific Norms here in our area, so we're gonna go have dinner there in honor of him, and then I'm headed home and I'll probably go ahead and try on the whole outfit for you guys. Okay, so you're going first. So he's going first. He doesn't let his wife go first.
Why should I?
For dinner, Trevor had a milkshake with his meal. What did you just get right now, babe?
Proud of it. Able to only spend $70 more.
All right, my cat's yelling, but I have my boots in for Coastal Country Jam. So I got them from Target and they were literally like $15. Okay, here we go. I love these just because I've been wanting a pair of like white Western boots to wear with like sundresses. I've seen some girls do that and it's so cute, so I figured this was like my opportunity to get them. So cute. Hello, it's Friday. Trevor is out at a baseball game and I was watching like that one episode of Friends where Chandler like took a bath for the first time, and I was like, you know what sounds really good while Trevor's out? I'm gonna take a freaking bath. So I'm like really excited. I am going to use this bath bomb that was in the gift bag that my maids of honor put together for my bachelorette party. So I'm really excited to finally use this. It smells so good. It's rose. But yeah, I'm just gonna take like a relaxing bath and chill because tomorrow's gonna be like a packed day. I have brunch for my friends going away and then Coastal Country Jam, which I'm all set for. I have my outfit ready to go. I actually decided not to go with the gingham shorts with that top just because the shorts were too flowy for that top. So I'm going with some denim shorts, real classic kind of like Western look. And yeah, really excited, but gonna go hop in the bath now, pop on a face mask, watch some Netflix and relax. So I have a little bit of time. Yeah, I gotta get moving soon before Trevor gets home and disturbs me. Howdy. So I just got done with my shower. I'm putting together my outfit for tomorrow, just finalizing the details on it. Clearly, I'm going to be wearing this hat for Coastal Country Jam, but I'll show you guys the rest of the outfit as well. So this is the outfit that I put together for it. I've got those boots that I unboxed. I've got a pair of denim shorts. Like I said, I went with the denim over the gingham. I've got the top that I found in Forever 21 yesterday. It's got this like corset front, and then I'm gonna wear a little gold initial necklace with it. Got this cute little crossbody because the venue's really strict and you can only take in like a really small purse, or clutch is how they termed it, so I think I'm just gonna tuck the straps in. But yeah, you can only bring, I think it's like 6.5 inches by 5 inches, so I need to measure this and just make sure that it's good to go. But I like this one if I can bring it because it does have double pockets and then the middle still opens too, so I get a lot of storage in here even though it's pretty small. And then of course that hat that I was wearing, so I'm all set to go for tomorrow. I'm gonna head out to brunch early in the morning and then head back here and quick change because my friend Anna will be meeting me here, so really excited. Good morning. I just got out of bed. My cat is yelling at me right now, but I am getting ready to go out to brunch. There he goes. He's 19 and he's very cranky and old. But I'm getting ready to go out to brunch for my friend's going away. She's moving back to Australia. So a bunch of us from my old work are gonna join up and yeah, just see her, say hi. She also just got engaged, so really excited to see her. And then yeah, gonna go and head over to Coastal Country Jam right afterwards. So it's a packed day. But first, coffee.
I don't know.
Is it like weird for me to have IPA this early in the morning?
She's 5'9". Both of them together. You know it's kind of awkward being Australian member here.
Oh my god.
Family. She's going back.
She's going back.
I never have to hear her weird stuff. Cheers.
Cheers, Smitha. Cheers. Okay, I just got back from brunch, just got home. Hi, Spartacus. And I'm gonna go ahead and change and get ready because Anna will be here any minute. And yeah, super excited. So this is Anna. She was my maid of honor. Hi. We are waiting for our Uber for Coastal Country Jam. Super excited. Neither of us have been to a music festival before. Yeah, so super excited about that. Both of us had said before we turned 30 we wanted to go, right?
Exactly.
So
I'm almost 30, so perfect.
Got her in just in time.
Sarah.
You're welcome. Thank you, Trevor, for these
thank you,
tickets.
Trevor.
Yeah. So super excited. I'm gonna listen to some Tim McGraw, Jake Owen. Get an excuse to wear this hat, and then for me these boots down here. But yeah, excited. I realized you guys couldn't see my boots in that clip, so there they are. Super cute. Yay!
All the bars are going to carry our Twisted Tea Hard Iced Tea. After you guys get reset, Twisted Tea Hard Iced Tea. Hopefully get it all.
How do I do this? Yes, Sarah. Oh my god, that is very sugary. Oh my god. So we just got done with Dylan Scott.
Yeah.
Great performance. He's super cute.
Those muscles.
Those muscles, oh my god. And then that accent. Give me an American boy any day. I'll take it.
But it's okay.
Love you, honey. Thanks for the tickets so that I could drool over Dylan Scott. So sweet.
Such a good husband.
I know, he is. Most days. Update, I've given up on the hat. This beach breeze is killing us.
Might have to away, but
Anna's permanently in this position because her hat almost like ran away. Yeah, that ocean breeze is starting to get really strong here. Alright, so we are on the Ferris wheel, which apparently was no tickets. Thank God. And it better not be with the price of the admission.
where's my food?
Yay! Look at this view of just the Ferris wheel. Just kidding. There you go. Look look at this line getting in here. Holy shit. That's insanity. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear Anna, but she's right. It took us 3 minutes to get in. This is ridiculous. It goes all the way back there. That's crazy. And look at the festival right now. It's like filling up so much. Luckily, Anna and I are just 2 people and we don't have a chair, we don't have a blanket, so we'll be able to like make our way through that crowd, but holy crap. When we go back for Jake Owen, that's gonna be insane. Finally sat down. Holy crap. We got back into like the stage area and it's so crowded. You guys saw that video earlier of how crowded it is in the stage area. And we are surrounded. Like holy shit. You got right in my face. Yeah. No, I'm gonna get right in there. Look at you. So I need someone who goes to music festivals to answer me. Like, is it this much like waiting around to stake out your spot? Because like this is insane. Like, is that most of your time is like staking out your spot for the acts? Because holy shit, no wonder I never go to these. Holy crap, but like worth it. Because like I love the people coming out. But you show off your drink? Out, but now we're gonna try to like walk a quarter-mile down to the shopping center and get picked up there because like we are not trying to get picked up in this crowd. Like holy crap. But I bet you like Pacific City will be super crowded as well. Yep. But that's cool. We can at least like sit and enjoy like a cocktail or go to St. Mark and get some bacon.
Yeah.